Welcome to the Village at Towne Lake in Woodstock, Georgia. I am Shonna with eXp Realty, and we service all of Woodstock and the surrounding cities of Cherokee County. But before we get started with our tour, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tours. Let's go take a look at what the Village at Towne Lake has to offer. This model home is called the Seagrove. It is 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath with an extra bonus room that could easily be a 4th bedroom if needed, and a huge loft area. Let's go take a look at it. I love the view as you walk in. There's the loft of the upstairs. Just very, very open and fun. Coming in the entrance, this is the powder room for your guests. We have a coat closet and the garage on this side. Come into a wide open space here with your living area, electric fireplace, built-ins. In the kitchen area, we have quartz countertops, absolutely gorgeous. Nice sized pantry. We have a little coffee bar area here. Stove and microwave. Gas cooktop. Really cool vent hood in this one. And one of the nice features about this plan is the courtyard is accessible and open to the living space as well as the primary suite. So you really feel like you've got a lot of more space and a lot of natural light coming in. So as we come into the primary suite, again, it's very large, accommodating a king-size bed and pretty much all the furniture that you would need in here. The model has an upgraded ceiling, so that's an option that's available. Again, the view and access to your personal courtyard. You could choose to have a little lap pool put in there or just enjoy it on those nice cool Georgia evenings every now and then. Coming into the primary bathroom, nice large frameless shower, walk in, so nothing to step over there. Dual vanities. Water closet, and a nice size primary closet. This one does have a closet system, and they have added this option to have a laundry inside of the master closet. Now let's go take a look at the upstairs because it is a really nice fun area. Now as you reach the top of the staircase, this is a great loft area that you can use, for additional entertainment time. They have chosen here to add cabinets and desk area, so there's room for home office. Totally up to you. On this side, we have bedroom number 2, a linen closet here. Now this bedroom has an ensuite bath. So we go back into the hall. We have bedroom 3 here. Bedroom also has a walk-in closet. They've chosen to use this as an office, but it is also designed to be a bedroom. This is your main laundry room. As you remember, they had installed one in the primary closet as a secondary. Let's pop in here, because one of the options that you have is to include a sink. You can do a tub sink, or you can have a built-in like this. But here is your hall bath to serve those 2 bedrooms, full bath with a linen closet. And finally, we have a bonus room. So it's a very large room to be used however you want to use it. Lots of light coming in. It's a great space. Well, that concludes the tour of the Seagrove model. Again, I'm Shonna Sherrill Properties with eXp Realty. All of my contact information is below. Be sure that you subscribe and like this channel so you get all of our future tours in the Woodstock area.